No RWD, and I'm back with another video. It's a little wash day, you feel me, with my mans. Yeah,
Quick.
on this side.
Oh, that's it?
Hey, baby. Yeah, man,
Yeah,
quick
right.
little.
Let me wash these things real quick.
Wash the G's real quick. I gotta cover your tag though, cause you know, and whatnot.
Yeah.
But yeah, you about to just get into this little wash video, wash day. I'm nothing special. We not doing nothing much. Just came from the trail with the dogs. I should have vlogged it. But like, I ain't vlogging. Oh yeah, let's get into it. Oh, you gotta look at it, make sure we good.
Yeah, no, we good.
Just a little line it up. Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Bro, putting that thing right up on there.
There we go.
Hell yeah.
There we go.
That shit is fitting good. Cover that G thing.
Hey, put that right there.
Put that thing right on there.
Right
There.
Right
I'm trying to see. My fault, tag call. You know what I'm talking about?
My fault, tag cover down. Y'all ain't saying nothing.
Oh shit, I think they just seen mine a little bit though.
Yeah. I don't know why he brought this little ass bucket to my house.
This shit is small as hell.
I told him to bring a bucket, and nigga want to bring a little ass bucket. Again, alright, now. Nah, but you gonna fuck the paint up, bro.
It's all good. It's gonna be straight. Are you not supposed to use the same brush?
Yeah, I guess. Big body beam just pulled up, y'all. Just on the channel. Got the windshield. What's up, Ma? It's you, Dad.
How are you?
It's YouTube.
How's it going?
I said, what's up?
I'm all right. I'm okay. And you?
I'm good. Say what's up, Ma?
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
YouTube, hey.
Yeah, I see how they looking. Real nice. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing. My baby sitting real nice. No babbles. I can wash it down as I say, y'all. On to the Yoda. I'll be putting this on the channel. Ain't no point to put this dumb ass shit on the channel, but yeah. It's the V6, by the way. This ain't the Force or the Yoda, so the bitch got a little kick to it, but it ain't, you feel me? It ain't what it need to be. But you know, temps again, 15% on these motherfuckers. You can kind of see them, but not really. You know, I gotta have my family riding smooth, you feel me? Like, if it wasn't for me, they really wouldn't put tents. They wouldn't really put tents on their car. I left the windshield open because he don't need that. But you know that Beamer truck though, can't see nothing in that Beamer truck. Let's see. After her, and we're gonna be finished in 3, 2, 1. You got?
Alright. Touch it. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but at the same time, it's like I'm trying to. I'd rather do it in the crib. I don't got no crib.
Oh, crap.
I'm gonna get a telly.
Actually, yeah, for sure. But you just said you was trying to do that.
But no.
Oh, going out to eat. How you gonna do that?
I mean, I don't mind doing it in the car either, but like.
You think you think you can eat inside the car?
Huh? Like eat the food in the car?
You can eat inside the car, yeah.
We could, but we're gonna have to watch something.
Right. It's kind of boring without.
Without like watching something.
School is like you got your own little spot. You doing whatever you need to do for the day. You waking up whenever you need to wake up, whatever you got going on. Got your own house. Oh, sorry y'all. I'm not supposed to put the wet.
That fake ass Hellcat. Fake ass Hellcat. That ain't no Hellcat. That fake ass Hellcat.
Top. They on the bike's too back here. That's going to hop in there and take off with them.